Hey everyone, it's Style with Carol. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a subscriber already, thanks for being a part of my YouTube family. So today's video is a little bit different. We're styling myself because I need some inspiration, and I've been going on YouTube checking out other fall posts, Pinterest, to see what's the fall 2020 trend and something that's very comfortable, easy to wear. So I want to do a fall lookbook for you all. So please keep on watching and let me know what outfit you found that you love the most. Fall 2020 is all about comfort, style, and really using what you have from last year. The style that I've seen this year, they use a lot of basics like the leggings and pair it up with a little bit of a longer top so you can cover that bootay, or if you have a small one like me, you can kind of get away with it. And really just adding a neutral tone jacket, and don't forget your coffee, you all. Love these with the little studs, so affordable compared to the Valentino shoes. This is just a fall body hugging outfit, which I paired up with a trench coat to hide that tummy, ladies. You all know what I'm talking about when I mean we want to hide that baby fat so we can feel free. Yes. The next outfit has a lot of fall colors going on. The lovely Halloween October orange, bright orange with a mix of yellow, a little bit of white. The lining is black and the material is sheer, paired with some Forever 21 beige flats, because we can reuse those flats pretty much with so many different outfits. They're very versatile and comfortable. When wearing fall dresses, I like to keep it long sleeve, or else I'll grab a coat because it does get chilly. Outfit 3 is very basic, but stay with me all because it does get more fun. I definitely recommend getting a beige jacket because you can pair it with a lot of outfits like I did here. Reuse that same beige jacket because it does tend to get chilly for fall. So you want to make sure you're nice and cozy. This outfit reminds me of Eleanor from The Good Place. I don't know if any of you've watched it. It's on Netflix. It's so cool, but it reminds me of like the bad version of her. So it was kind of fun to kind of wear. I mean, I'm not going anywhere special, but you know, I reuse the same shoes. That's why, ladies, it's so important to have that one pair that you can pair up with so many different outfits. Whether you're trying to look cute or a baddie like I am trying. And the best for last, the last outfit, I have my puppy, little Louie, as my fashion accessory. He was barking at the window, so I thought I had to include him in my video. Hope you all like it, and please don't forget to subscribe, show some love. I would really love it. And yeah, this is like the only time I wear my Louboutins because they're so expensive.